Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I present some golden words in front of you. Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. The beautiful things about learning is that no one can take it away from you. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Education is the art of making men ethical. Education is the passport for the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare it today. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, and intelligent people ignore. Never replay when you're angry, never make a promise when you are happy, and never make a decision when you are sad. Prayer is the best solution for every problem. Thank you. Wassalam.